This is the land of fire and ice, a place like no other. Divided by two tectonic plates, it's a land of constant change. We're Chuck and Lori. Pack your bag and join us as we explore Iceland.
Sit back and relax, and let us take you to iconic locations. So many of the top things to do are right outside Reykjavik.
There are bucket list activities around every corner. So hitch a ride with us, hike with us, relax with us, explore with us.
Welcome to
Iceland! We're going to Iceland. Darn it all. That's what we're doing.
Yay!
Yeah. Let's do this. Here's the flying first class. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, I love mimosas. Very good.
Prosecco.
Prosecco. Prosecco and orange juice. It's everything in one. It's a quick 5-hour flight from JFK to Iceland. You're actually going to arrive in Keflavik, not Reykjavik. It takes quite a bit of time to get situated and get your bags and everything at the airport, so allow at least an hour and a half to do all of that. Made it to Iceland. First thing you do is you go through customs. Then duty free in your bags, follow that. So super easy, although it's a pretty long hallway after being on a plane all night. We can do it. Keflavik is a pretty easy airport to get your way through. There are a lot of interesting things to see though on your way to get your bags. And as soon as you get your bags, you're going to want to head off to duty free because there's no less expensive place to buy alcohol in Iceland. All right, we're in duty free because this is the cheapest place to get alcohol for for Iceland. And we're going to get a couple of things. At least save us a couple of bucks here, and then maybe we'll fetch more along the way on the trip. All right, here's an important safety tip. You go to get a rental car that's not one of the four inside the building, like we're Enterprise.
Chuck, I don't know.
You have to follow these signs right here.
Or is it all the way up there?
Yeah, these signs right here for these.
Actually, the bus is way down there.
We're gonna catch a bus to get to Enterprise and get a freaking car. There goes Lori. She's on her way to get to the bus to get a rental car. The other thing to be aware of is that it's a long ass walk, so be prepared. They're on one very crowded bus, which was, well, it might be faster to walk 15 minutes than to wait for the bus. You decide. We're on the bus. It was a very beautiful 45-minute drive from Keflavik Airport to Reykjavik City Center. We dropped our bags off at the hotel and immediately went off to explore Reykjavik. Welcome to Iceland. We are wandering the streets of
Reykjavik.
Yes, Reykjavik. That's where we are.
My teacher taught me that.
Yeah, you might see that in a video at some point. Maybe. Anyway, the place is super cool. We're checking it out. Check this out right now. That's just freaking epic.
So what road are you walking up?
We're gonna go check out the Lutheran church, which is the tallest structure in Reykjavik. Right there.
Kovaction.
Kovaction in Iceland?
Sure.
Nice. Hallgrímskirkja is the tallest structure in all of Reykjavik. It stands at 74.5 meters or 244 feet tall. We happened to come in right before our service was starting. So this is Hallgrímskirkja? Is that what it is? Let's go in and check it out. Okay, we're gonna check it out. Once you walk into the church, it's just mind-boggling beautiful. It's truly an architectural masterpiece. One of the most striking features is the pipe organ. With 5,275 pipes, it's 15 meters tall and weighs 25 tons. So Reykjavik has a population of almost 250,000 people. So it's not huge. It's a big little city.
We found the Sun Voyager.
And it's a sculpture by John Gunnar Anderson. And it's super freaking cool, man. It's cool. And really cool doesn't even begin to describe this thing. The Sun Voyager was designed in the mid-1980s to commemorate the bicentenary of the city's constitution. The design lines are simple and elegant. It's reminiscent of a Viking ship, honoring Iceland's history and seafaring tradition. And it's just steps away from the center of Reykjavik, so you don't want to miss it. Reykjavik's a pretty cool city because you can walk around. Seems like it's fairly safe. Although the hills,
It's a little bit
breathing a little heavy here.
San Francisco.
It has a little bit of San Francisco in it for sure. But it's a really fun place to wander around and check out. And be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell because we're going to come back and show you a lot more of this city and a lot more of Iceland. Today we're going to learn Icelandic 101 because we can't pronounce anything yet. All right, here's another one. You ready? Pronounce this one.
Steinbragini.
What?
Steinbragini. Hallgrímskirkja.
Hallgrímskirkja.